Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating SharePlay. Sign into the host PSN account, join a party with the guest, and start a SharePlay session from the party screen. Make sure you switch to a wired connection or move closer to the router to lower latency. This matters because SharePlay streams your console's video to the guest. Once you hit Start SharePlay, decide whether to hand over controller or play together, and keep an eye on the session timer. Once the session is running, optimize the network and console settings to stabilize the stream. Assign a static IP to the Ps4 and enable UPnP or forward ports PSN uses so NAT issues are reduced. This helps connectivity. Use your router's CoS to prioritize the console and pause large downloads on other devices. Also lower in-game resolution or disable dynamic streaming features. Fewer pixels and less background processing means fewer dropped frames, which keeps control input responsive for the guest player. To finish, confirm session stability and handle common problems quickly. If you see stuttering or audio lag, restart both Ps4s and the router, then reinitiate the party and SharePlay. This clears temporary network issues. If wireless remains unstable, plug both consoles directly into the router with Ethernet cables for the cleanest stream. If NAT types still block joining, test a different network like a mobile hotspot or enable bridge/modem mode on your gateway. These steps resolve most stubborn connection barriers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.